Model, 2020 Volkswagen Crafter County Route 35 medium wheelbase, diesel front-wheel drive 2.0 TDI 140PS Trendline high roof van spares OR repairs low miles bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 6,562. MOT, the 18th of July 2024. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 140PS EU6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner timing belt has snapped easy fix for someone who knows what they're doing. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is average. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, air con, electric windows, parking sensors, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap, £19,950.